Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the THINBORNE super thin iPhone 15 case. This is made of Aramid fiber with the MagSafe. It is made of the premium 600D Aramid fiber. Thin is super slim and lightweight. Perfect fitment with a precision cut. MagSafe compatibility, gorgeous carbon fiber texture for better grip. So this case supports wireless charging. However, it is not compatible with the stand-style charger. Please use the flat wireless charging pad or MagSafe chargers. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you could check them out. And I'd like to give a shout out to Michelle from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. So this one says iPhone 15. THINBORNE. So right here's the MagSafe. Super thin. And you have the THINBORNE right here. So you got the alcohol wipe and cleaning cloth in here. Wow, they also come with two other glass screen protector. So this one is not for the Pro. Just for the regular iPhone 15. So here they're protruding right here to protect the camera. And all you need to do is peel this off and align correctly and just put the screen protector. So this one is nice, it is edge to edge. So it is fully protected. Go ahead and check out what's in here. Also, you got the wet wipes, dry wipe, and then a dust absorber. There you go. To clean this, you just need to use like alcohol and spray a little bit, and use a microfiber cleaning cloth to wipe around and cleanse it. Okay. In order for you to remove this, you want to go ahead and pry out the corner outward on both sides, and then push on the camera lens, push outward. And then that's it. So it says that it is compatible with the flat MagSafe. Somehow it sticks down with this charger. Unfortunately, I don't have the iPhone 15 to actually test it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.